Ever split a dinner bill with friends and realize you forgot your wallet? Or maybe you need to send some quick cash to a family member for an emergency. That's where Zelle comes in, a super convenient way to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the U.S. But if you're an Ally Bank customer, you might be wondering, how fast exactly is Ally Bank Zelle? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into Ally Bank Zelle transfer times and everything you need to know to get your money moving. The beauty of Zelle, speed and simplicity. Let's face it, traditional money transfers can feel like they take forever. Paper checks? Forget about it. Bank wires? Sure, they're fast, but often come with hefty fees. Zelle cuts through the hassle, allowing you to send money electronically directly from your bank account to another person's account in a flash. But how fast is flash exactly? Well, that depends on a few key factors. Ally Bank to Ally Bank, lightning speed. The good news for Ally Bank customers sending money to other Ally Bank accounts is this: your transfers are typically instant. That's right, the recipient will see the money appear in their account within minutes, sometimes even seconds. This makes Zelle perfect for those urgent situations where you need to get money to someone right away, like paying back a friend for last-minute concert tickets. Ally Bank to other banks, a slight wait, but still speedy. Now, things get a little different when you're sending money from Ally Bank to an account at another bank. Here, the transfer time can vary depending on the recipient's bank. But fear not, it's still generally considered quite fast. In most cases, the recipient will receive the money within minutes, just like an Ally Bank to Ally Bank transfer. However, there's a small catch. If the recipient's bank isn't set up for instant transfers, or if the transfer is initiated after Ally Bank's daily cutoff time, which can vary but is usually around evening hours, things might slow down a bit. In these scenarios, the recipient might see the money in their account within 1 to 3 business days. The unregistered recipient, a hurdle to speed. There's one other situation that can slow down your Ally Bank Zelle transfer if the recipient isn't already registered with Zelle. In this case, they'll receive a notification about the incoming transfer and will need to follow the instructions to enroll in Zelle. Once they complete the enrollment process, which typically takes just a few minutes, the money will be deposited into their account. So, the key takeaway here is to make sure your recipient is Zelle ready before hitting send. Beyond speed, limits to consider. While Ally Bank Zelle boasts impressive transfer speeds, it's important to remember that there are limits on how much you can send. These limits are in place to help prevent fraud and ensure the smooth operation of the Zelle network. For Ally Bank customers, the sending limits depend on whether you're making an instant transfer or scheduling a transfer for a future date. For instant transfers, the daily limit is $2,000. If you need to send more than that, you can schedule a transfer for a later date, with limits of $5,000 or $10,000 depending on your account type. Ally Bank Zelle, the verdict. So, when it comes to Ally Bank Zelle, is it a speed demon or a slowpoke? The answer is a resounding, it depends. For Ally Bank to Ally Bank transfers, it's definitely a speed demon, with near instantaneous transactions. For transfers to other banks, it's still generally quite fast, with most recipients seeing the money within minutes. However, there can be slight delays depending on the recipient's bank and enrollment status. Overall, Ally Bank Zelle offers a fast, convenient, and secure way to send and receive money. With its user-friendly interface and impressive transfer speeds, it's a great option for anyone looking to ditch the slow and outdated methods of money transfers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.